watermelon. Oh gosh, oh gosh.
It's too heavy to take it. That's one big watermelon, guys.
Oh, it doesn't open like that. You want to see inside the watermelon? What is that, Ian?
A watermelon.
What are you making?
I'm making watermelon juice. And look here. If he put it in. I told you that. He put it in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, he did it.
The watermelon is W is for
Watermelon. Okay.
Frank's blender.
Yep. Okay. It's my face. Okay, the big one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
You take it. I see what has happened.
Hold on.
Now see what's happened. I told you watermelon is happy.
You like it?
Yeah, you put the watermelon inside here,
Mm-hmm.
and you did the way here. Okay?
Okay.
Okay? There's got a lot of tea in there. And you have to take it out, and you have to turn this to come out. That's my watermelon juice.
Oh.
It have a lemon.
Yeah. Mm.
Mm.
Tastes good.
And look,
Mm-hmm.
it has full of water.
Mm-hmm.
Stand up.
Thumbs up.
Tastes good.
Tastes good.
That is the watermelon. It tastes good.
Yeah.
I made watermelon juice today. It tastes good. It tastes actually good. It tastes good. Yeah, I put the watermelon in the blender. And then you blend it and you put it in the glass. I put it on top and then I can put it lemon. Good. Oh, I need to clean my shirt.
Okay.
I take my shirt off. You look at it and have a lemon. It tastes good. Take the lemon.
What do you have in your hands?
A watermelon.
Are you eating it?
Yeah. Mmm. watermelon has vitamin C. It can burn.
Yeah. What color is inside watermelon?
Red. Whoa. It looked like a dip did.